Welcome to Variable Code. 10 most useful websites for developers. We will discuss Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is a question and answer website for programmers. Accepts questions about the programming that are tightly focused on specific problems. Second one is GitHub. GitHub is a platform and cloud-based service for software development and version control using Git, allowing developers to store and manage their code. Third one, HackerRanker. HackerRanker is a technology company that focuses on competitive programming challenges for both consumers and businesses. Developers complete by writing programs according to provided specifications. Fourth one is Code Mentor. Code Mentor is an online platform that connects coders with mentors and clients for projects on a freelancer basis. Fifth one is Code Review. Code review is a software quality assurance activity in which one or several people check a program mainly by viewing and reading parts of its source code, and they do implementations also. Sixth one is Codeforce. Codeforce is a website that hosts competitive programming contents. It is maintained by a group of competitive programmers. Seventh one is CodeChuff. CodeChuff is an online education platform and competitive programming community of global programmers. CodeChuff started as an education initiative in 2019. It is an Indian software company. Free Code Camp. Free Code Camp is a non-profit organization that consists of an interactive learning web platform, an online community forum, chat rooms, online publications, and local organizations that intend to make learning web development accessible to anyone. Ninth one is Code Wars. Code Wars is an educational community for computer programming. On the platform, software developers train on programming challenges. These discrete programming exercises train a rank of skills in a variety of programming languages and are completed within an online integrated development environment. Finally, W3 Schools. W3 Schools is a freemium educational website for learning coding online, initially released in 1998. It deserves its name from the World Wide Web, but it is not affiliated with the W3 consortium. Here, these are the 10 websites mostly useful for developers we can use. Here, some of the code challenges and some of the freelancing challenges, and we have discussed all these websites clearly. Thank you so much for this. Please subscribe.